Hi, it's me again. Oh, excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Excuse me. Okay, at the end of the last video, I cut short because it was just getting a bit too long. So I'll show you now how I finished off this first page. Okay, I've used an old piece of curtain, piece of lace curtain, and that's on the back as well. I've decorated the outer page with 3 layers of lace and this applique and a paper rose. I think we got this far in the last video. Any room for journaling. I added a wooden button there. In here I've got 2 little journaling tags. Any room for journaling. And again here. Let me try and move. And another one with the words thankful across here. Put some bobs in there. Again, more trims on the edge of these journaling pages. And this one, we have 2 pockets. In the back pocket there, which holds a journaling book. And this piece of lace pocket just holds another journaling tag. And more lovely trims. And I'll put an applique flower on that one. So that's number 1. I went ahead and did page 2, and I realised that I think my book would be big enough with 3 pages because they are quite thick, quite busy. Sorry about the light there. It's a bit glary. See if that's better. Okay. I made this flower with a doily and some cutouts in white craft and brown craft. Some beautiful lace on it on the front there. Now inside the front cover we've got a pocket there with a journaling card. That focus is not very good. That's better. It's got a metal flower with one of my handmade beaded centres. You could put a photograph in there actually, in that oval. And then we have another one of these in that little pocket there. More lace on the page edges. Excuse me. I made this flower as well. And then over here we have more journaling space or place for a photograph or whatever. Again, journaling space. You can journal on these little flowers too. And in here I've got a sweet little envelope, and inside we've got some journaling card that has been embossed with music notes. That's really sweet. Lots of journaling space in this one, journaling and or photographs. And the back page, we've got 2 pockets. This one has a little booklet. And this pocket here has got a double tag. You can open that up and write your secrets in there. And I thought this was a great little idea. The word key on that, and I just happened to have this little ring of 3 tiny keys, and I thought that would go well with that, so I popped that on there. And there we go, and that's the back. That's number 2. Oops. Now I'm on to number 3 now, and I have by no means finished it, so if you like, you can watch me do it. So I'll just show you what I've done so far. The first page, journaling page. Again, laces, handmade paper flower, a little silver scissor charm. Let's see if you can see that. That is so sweet, with some flowers. Baby, no. What do you want from Mummy? Be quiet. Just give me some space. Okay, there's a lot of space in this one for journaling and or photos. You can put a photo in here. Here we've got my journaling space, great for a photo. Lots of things happening in this page that I thought would be beautiful for journaling. The natural pattern on that, it's gorgeous. More journaling paper, and that's a little pocket there with 2 journaling tags, just plain white. Bubbles, no. Shush. And then over here we've got a frame. You can put a photograph in there. Journaling, photograph maybe, or whatever. And then over here, they've got some lines on here, and you could journal on that. There's enough space to journal on there. And then here we've got 3 little tags. One is actually glued down. They're great for journaling too. And they're on a brad. Okay, nice journaling page. Alright, yeah, okay. Now I'm onto this one. But actually, do you know, I'm going to do this first. I've got my little piece of lace curtain. I'll start at this side. And I am just using hot glue. Just very lightly glue. Oh, ouch. Yep, very lightly glue. You don't need gobs and gobs of it. when we get to the fold line, I like to put a line down there and then fold it over. Then again on this side, just a line on the fold there. Next to the fold, sorry, not on the fold. Now we'll open it out again and keep going with the gluing. You be a good boy. Be a good boy for Mummy. Don't rip the quilt. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're just going to trim it up, level with the card. And be mindful if you've put any lace on prior to this, that you're not going to be snipping it. Okay, just a bit more glue around the sides. Make sure they're stuck down. Don't need much. Oops. Now I haven't finished off my edges by putting lace like the top and bottom. I'm just leaving them rough as they are. But you can tidy them up if you want. That's your prerogative. Okay. Right, now the first page, I've put on some paper. I was going to do a pocket, but I got carried away with the, what do you call it? with the glue, the tape, double-sided tape, and I stuck it all down. So let's do what we did on a previous one, but let's do something like that. Then that's wasted. So hang on.